Hey everybody, this is Eddie Sprouse on behalf of Transylvania County Road Conditions. I just wanted to show you a feature that some of you may not be aware of in Facebook groups that may help you find the road condition you need quickly. So as you can see on my screen, I am on the Transylvania County Road Conditions group. And if you go down below these different menu items here, you'll see search this group. And what's really important about this, as far as I'm concerned, is the ability to find certain road information in a timely manner. So, for instance, if you want to find out information that's been reported about Wilson Road, you can type in Wilson Road and hit enter on your keyboard. And then that's going to search our group for all posts dealing with Wilson Road. And you can see there's one 3 hours ago from Kathy, one from Jonathan, and that one was about 9 hours ago, one 8 hours ago from Laura. So, and it goes, this one's way back when I reported in 2016. So they're not necessarily in order. This was 2017, but it will help you focus on the road that you want information on quickly. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little tip. Thanks so much, and I appreciate each one of you for being a member of this group. Thanks.